All right, Joe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, go.
Maybe struggling.
Hope we won't need that later.
Lever has been discarded.
Sorry about the floor. Out. Back in.
Making use of the couch seating. We're already at 41 seconds.
Yeah, I'm just probably going to try and get under 2 minutes is the hope.
It's gonna be a tricky split right here.
Which side? I hope that's the right one.
Oh, you forgot to prep the pump.
Is it? Was that not it?
He's
You know, it's an unfamiliar pump. The real professional has an air chuck, so
going for the high volume mode. And now he switches over into high pressure.
we're probably at minute 30.
41, 47. We got down here to confirm pressure. 5, 60. And 8. We got.
Oh, going just over his target time with a time of 2:01.91. There's a lot of room for improvement left in this run. I think you could easily shave the 1.9 seconds
Yeah.
to make it happen, but it's going to have to be another day.